Birbal's wisdom. One fine day, Akbar lost his ring. When Birbal arrived in the court, Akbar told him, "I have lost my ring. My father had given it to me as a gift. Please help me find it." Birbal said, "Do not worry, your majesty, I will find your ring right now." He said, "Your majesty, the ring is here in this court itself. It is with one of the courtiers. The courtier who has a straw in his beard has your ring." The courtier who had the emperor's ring was shocked and immediately moved his hand over his beard. Birbal noticed this act of the courtier. He immediately pointed towards the courtier and said, "Please search this man. He has the emperor's ring." Akbar could not understand how Birbal had managed to find the ring. Birbal then told Akbar that a guilty person is always scared. Moral: a guilty conscience need no accuser. Dear listener, please subscribe our YouTube channel to increase your English listening power through stories. Do not forget to share your opinions with us in the comments. Thanks for the listening.